There's a lot of good things to say about Clickbank University 2.0. One of the strongest points is that it covers both affiliate marketing and product creation, so you're not limited to only one or the other. This is definitely an improvement on the earlier version, which only covered product creation. With the 2.0 version, you also have more flexibility. As a beginner, you will generally find it easier to start off as an affiliate. Then, as your knowledge and experience improves, you'll be able to take on the more extreme challenge of becoming a product vendor. How's the training? The training itself is detailed with notes, videos, and over-the-shoulder instructions. The methods are clearly explained in a step-by-step manner that even the greenest beginner will be able to follow along without much difficulty. The people who created and are behind Clickbank University 2.0, Matt Hewlett, Adam Horwitz, and Justin Atlin, are all accomplished marketers in their own right. They are legitimate marketers who are doing what they teach. This course isn't just about theory, it's about actual things they are doing to make money today. And this is crucial when choosing to spend money on any Make Money Online course. The training is not only simple to follow, but also extreme in its depth. You will learn what you need to know to succeed. Speaking of learning, follow me to the next video for a breakdown of what's included in Clickbank University 2.0.